lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tronwy and I'm back with yet another great video. So guys, I'm in Amanyanga. These are the minibuses that we bought in Kenya, and this is so loud, but I've muted because I don't want to be copyrighted. So I'm going to Oloolua nature trail. So I want to take you along, and I want to have the adventure with you guys. So let's go, guys. So guys, this is the entrance, and once you enter you pay a fees of 200 shilling and you're given a ticket. And then one good thing about this place is that you can have events, that is camping. You can come and do birthdays here, you can come and do baby showers and all that. So this is the best place for you to come and just relax, just walk, just free your mind from all the city life.
Hapana, wana nini kwa haga, wanazunguka wakinini hizo baluni. Oh no.
Another thing about this place, guys, is that most of the people that come here are lovebirds. So they like engraving their names on these trees to keep memories. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of people have done this here.